What I hear people say is Agent CRM is just Go High Level, but y'all have not seen all the work that we've put in to our version of Go High Level. So let me show you Agent CRM and what the difference is. First of all, on the left-hand side here, we have live Q&A. So literally the entire day we're on Zoom. We got Branning Library. We have over 50 educational courses that you have access to. You can upgrade your account, so you can actually have a whole bunch of marketing tools work for you. You can hire an expert. I don't know anybody who allows that for you to hire one-to-one help to build up and set up your account. We have an AI schedule bot that's ready to rock and roll for you. A Revenue Plus program. These are programs that you can actually add in to generate more cash flow with the leads that you have in your database. Plus, we have some third-party integrations you can use like Wave, Mailbox Power, and others. So y'all got to check out Agent CRM. If you're using Go High Level, you just need to switch over. It's as simple as filling out a form. Check out the difference with Agent CRM. All features unlocked, no limits. Let's go. Click the link below, sign up for Agent CRM, see what it's all about.